The garlic, the onions, the jalapeno, the oranges, the lemons, celery, got everything in there, all going in. Oh. Got them little potatoes right there. We got them red and them little brown ones. Dumping them in there like that. Come over here. Got that Southern Boy seasoning right there. Oh yeah. Gonna put one bag in there like that. We'll come back around. Oop, almost dropped it. We'll hit about a half a bag right there. Half a bag in there. Then we'll hit it with that crab ball. 1 cup like that. Get that paddle, get it stirred up. Check that out, John. Show them how pretty that is right there. Woo-wee. Get them crabs in there. You got a line on your feet. That big food right there, boy. Oh, look at that one right there, boy. Look at Bobby, look.
I got him.
Got him. Ooh, I don't want that one to get me. You gonna turn loose, Bob? I hope. This one here is in the corner.
Dip it in the water.
I'll show you the trick. Come on. Got it. All right, look at that, y'all. Got them in there. All down in there like that. Now, y'all, what we're going to do, we're going to boil these crabs for about 15 minutes. And in 15 minutes, we're going to shut them down. We're going to let them soak. So, they'll come back in about 15. Woo, look at there, look at there. All right, let's shut that down. Get it shut all the way down. Like that. All right, now we're going to throw in the mushrooms right here. Throw the mushrooms in there. We got some corn right here. Get that corn opened up. Drop that corn in there. Like that. Drop that sausage in there. I say green onion, that Cajun green onion. Smoke. Well, you talk about something kind of good. Get all that in there. Bobby go drop 2 shrimp in there. Drop them 2 shrimp in there. That's going to be mine. Now, what we want, y'all, we want this water temperature here to get below 165 degrees. Once it gets below 165 degrees, then crabs start soaking up all that good flavor right there. And look at that in there. Look how pretty that is in there. Show them how good that looks. All right, y'all, here we go. Got the crabs all done up right here. Come on, Bobby, let's grab that side right there. Look how pretty that is, y'all. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about right there, y'all. That there is a Louisiana crab ball at its finest. All right, y'all, here we go. I'm going to show you how we eat a crab here in South Louisiana. What I like doing, I just pop that shell just like that. See all that juice and stuff in it. And then come in here, pop it in half like that. Grab all that dead man off of it right there. Pop that mouth off of it. See that? You just want to mash it like that. Pop that like that. Look at that. All that meat right there come out of there. Come down it like this. Sometimes you can pop it in half like that. Like that. Look at all that meat right there. And that, folks, is how you eat a blue crab. Right there. You talk about good stuff right here, y'all.